What washing machine did you use today? All laundromats look similar, but the laundry results are not.
놀랐어요. 빨래방에서 이런 명품 가전을 쓴다는 게.
Water amount, temperature set perfectly for the world's #1 Swedish washing machine, Electrolux, with 100 years of tradition, and laundry hours and detergent carefully designed for each laundry course. Washenjoy's high-quality laundry program is available with Electrolux. Electrolux uses high-strength frames made with technologies of steel industry leader Sweden. It also uses rust-proof and corrosion-proof galvanized steel sheets to smooth out curved frames and to provide high durability without cracks for a long time.
쓰면 쓸수록 사용하는 사람이 편하게 만들었다는 걸 느껴요.
You can use a simple dial to select laundry course and lock the washing machine's doors smoothly with an ergonomically designed door handle. Also, auto door lock system guarantees safety. Up to 9 detergents are available and a total of 15 laundry programs can be set. Consumers may select a laundry course based on type of laundry. Furthermore, detergent is automatically supplied in the exact timing to provide the best laundry quality. Superbalance is one of the biggest strengths of Electrolux. When it detects imbalanced rotation caused by a pileup of laundry on one side during dehydration, it automatically redistributes laundry. Superbalance lowers vibration and noise from washing machine and enhances durability while preventing laundry from getting tangled. In addition, it allows the best hydration speed and enhanced drying efficiency by minimizing imbalance during dehydration.
이제는 건조 과정도 세탁만큼 중요하다고 생각해요.
Electrolux holds an unchallenged position in the hygiene field. The dryer uses stainless drums with high durability to prevent deformation or discoloration. Stainless drums can be used hygienically for a long time. Also, Electrolux dryer adopts a two-way rotation to prevent laundry from tangling during dehydration. This allows faster drying without creases on clothing. When drying a big blanket, Electrolux dryer utilizes king-size lifter to provide the best drying performance and drying efficiency. This is the special technology unique to Electrolux. Electrolux's high-efficiency air circulation quickly removes moisture in laundry and reduces maintenance expenses. In the last drying step, Electrolux uses a cooling down feature to cool heat from clothing and identify the degree of dryness. It also prevents damage on clothing caused by the high heat. Anti-crease is also a technology unique to Electrolux. This feature prevents clothing creases that happen when the clothing is pressed for a long time.
유지 비용이 정말 적게 들어요.
Electrolux washing machine reduces water consumption by up to 50%. Also, it adjusts the water amount based on laundry amount to provide the best laundry quality. Electrolux also has auto-saving system that automatically supplies the optimum detergent amount. Electrolux patented drain valve structure optimizes water consumption to prevent wasting water. This saves up to thousands of liters of water every year, reduces maintenance expenses, and has a positive influence on the environment. Electrolux dryer's eco-power system controls energy. When the clothing gets dry up to a certain level, it automatically lowers drying temperature to prevent shrinkage or damage caused by high heat. It also saves energy by 15% and reduces gas expense.
혼자서 운영하기에도 어려움이 없고 관리가 정말 쉬워요.
To prevent inconvenience in managing multiple dryers, Electrolux's lint filter is designed as a drawer type at waist height. It also adopts happy hour feature with discounts for set days and hours. This allows flexible fee policy for events. With a kiosk developed by Washenjoy, Customers can buy and charge cards easily and make payments with credit cards and mobile phones. Furthermore, excellent membership features secure regular customers. All those systems are remotely controllable, and the owner can check the sales status at any time and anywhere. Laundromat convenient for all customers and owners. Washenjoy holds superior competitiveness based on the best washing machine and unique operation system. This is our pride as #1 laundromat. Washenjoy.